Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finasten there, and today I'm going to do a rant on this Boris Gets Ungrounded. Enjoy the video. Boris gets ungrounded what he did to Rosie. What? More like Boris gets grounded what Boris did to Rosie? Oh my gosh. This Boris Gets Ungrounded sucks. I'm going to explain why that I hate this Boris Gets Ungrounded. Number one, Boris is gonna get grounded what he did to Rosie. Number two, we're not allowed to wake up non-troublemakers like Rosie, Lily, Daisy up with an air horn. We're not allowed to wake up non-troublemakers with an air horn. Only for troublemakers, because troublemakers deserves to wake up with an air horn. Number three, Boris is a brat what he did to Rosie. Rosie's my favorite character. Well, Boris deserves to get grounded what he did to Rosie. Do you know who likes this ungrounded video? That user who makes Boris Gets Ungrounded. And do you know who hates that ungrounded video? Everybody and me. We don't want Boris to get ungrounded what he did to Rosie. So screw that Boris Gets Ungrounded. And screw Bongo Gets Ungrounded. Because Bongo Gets Ungrounded is the worst ungrounded series ever. Everybody, please do not watch Bongo Gets Ungrounded. Because this is the worst ungrounded series ever. Yep, so Bongo Gets Ungrounded stinks too. Boris Gets Grounded is better than that Boris Gets Ungrounded what he did to Rosie. End of rant. If you have any request about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.